Welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create different ethnicity challenge video you see on TikTok like this. So you must be seeing on TikTok videos where this one person is pictured in different outfits from different countries. You must be wondering how they created that video. So let me show you how to create them. On your phone, go to the App Store, or if you have an Android phone, go to the Play Store. Now in the search bar, search for faceplay. It should look like this, so go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, open the app. If this is your first time, it'll ask you to pay for a subscription plan. You can press X at the top left to close that screen down. Once you've done that, you'll come to this screen. Here, scroll through all the videos to see which fits your requirements. There are subsections so you can browse through that. On these videos, you'll notice a play sign and a diamond sign. The ones with the play signs are free to use, while the ones with the diamond will require a subscription. Now select your video, then tap on the plus sign to add a photo to replace a face in the video. You can select it from your photo gallery, or you can take a photo using your camera. Make sure in both ways you have a clear and a bright photo of your face or someone else. Once you have selected the photo, confirm it. Now it will return back to the video. Go ahead and tap on Start Making. Then tap on Free if you don't have a subscription. Now you'll see an ad. The wait time is usually 15 to 30 seconds. Once the ad completes, go ahead and close the ad by tapping on the X at the top left or right. The app will start to process your video. Depending on your phone, it will usually take about 1 or 2 minutes. Once the process has completed, it will then show you the video. The face on the video has been replaced by the photo you have provided. As you can see, it does a fantastic job. If you're happy with that, go ahead and press Save to save it to your photo library. It will export the video and will save it to your photo library. Now, using the same process, repeat the steps as before using different videos in the app. Once you have a compilation of different videos, go ahead and post them on TikTok. And that is how to create the different ethnicity challenge videos on TikTok. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you think you got some value out of it. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.